Hi, Craig here from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2009 Mitsubishi Outlander. These Outlanders ran from the 4th month 2015 through to the 3rd month 2018. It has a 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine, known as a 4N14, with a 4-drive automatic transmission. 2.2 litre turbo diesel engine. This Outlander is fitted with factory 18-inch alloys, all with good tyres. A right-hand electric door mirror. There is very minimal damage to the front of that driver's side door. The rear door is in good condition. This vehicle is also fitted with factory roof racks. I don't believe we have the keys. Right hand tail light, right hand garnish light, centre garnish, left hand garnish light, left hand tail light. Both the left hand doors and guard are insurance quality, in excellent condition. Got a left hand electric door mirror. Left hand headlight and left hand fog light. Got a complete airbag kit, black cloth interior. This one came with owner's manuals. Got a media unit, heater controls, automatic transmission, center console, sun visors, sunglass holder, interior mirror, right hand sun visor, steering wheel, instrument cluster. Only 71,000 kilometers on this vehicle. It's excellent. Power windows, electric mirrors. On behalf of Total Parts Plus, we'd like to thank you for watching our video today.